Now, acne is usually associated with people who have oily skin. Now, the reason why these people have oily skin is because their sebaceous glands produce excess of sebum, which is that oil that actually is supposed to help to lubricate and protect your skin, to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. Of course, when the sebaceous glands begin to produce excess of this sebum or this oil, it begins to lead to breakouts in the skin of these people who have oily skin or who have the tendencies to have oily skin. But that does not mean that it is exclusive to people who have oily skin. Now, even if you have dry skin, combination skin, you are susceptible to having acne breakouts. Now, if you're somebody who has a dry skin normally, but yet you've been experiencing a lot of breakouts and you've been finding it difficult to manage these acne breakouts because they keep coming out no matter what you do, I am here in this video to share with you different ways that you can remove acne from your dry skin. So if you're someone who has a dry skin, keep watching this video. And if you know people, your friends, your colleagues, or any other person, okay, who has dry skin or who experiences dry skin a lot, especially on their face, then you want to send this video to them. With all of that said, let's go straight into the video for today. So hi bestie, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Please hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this amazing family because we bring loads of skincare goodness, okay, as regards your skin health, as regards the product you use on your skin and other parts of your body right here on this channel. So you want to be a part of our family of besties, okay? Yes, we are. Now, if you already are experiencing a dry skin or you're somebody who has dry skin naturally, you want to be careful with the kind of cleanser you use. You want to go for very mild and gentle cleansers. The reason is because your skin is already irritated from all the dryness, and any other harsh cleanser that you get, okay, like cleansers that contain harsh chemicals or actives, is going to further irritate your skin and cause more dryness to your skin and even lead to even more and more breakouts, okay? So you want to get a very gentle cleanser and always follow up your face cleansing with a toner, okay? Now, I put these two hand in hand because, like I said, they go together. As soon as you're done cleansing your face, the next thing you want to do is to go in with a toner, especially for you if you have a dry skin. Now, I'm all for the tuners are not important in your skincare routine, but we are talking about people right now who have dry skin and are already experiencing acne breakouts on your face. Now, what this means is that your skin has become so dry and irritated that your pores are now clogged. So you need something outside your face cleanser or your face wash that is going to help to remove the excess dirt and the excess oil in your skin pores to leave your skin fresh and clean. And that is what a toner is going to do for you. So please, my darling, get a gentle cleanser and follow through with a very good toner. Now, another very important thing that I would advise you to do is to stay away from exfoliating completely, okay? So long as you're still experiencing those, very dry, irritated skin and you're having those breakouts, no matter how big or small your pop-outs or your breakouts are, please avoid exfoliating. And when I say exfoliating, I don't mean just when you carry your exfoliating brush to brush your face. It means that whether in your cleanser, in your toner, in your face cream or any other products that you use on your face, make sure that they do not contain ingredients that exfoliate your skin. For example, products that contain alpha hydroxyl acid and a host of the others. I'm going to leave 1 or 2 or 3 of them here for you to see examples of the ingredient that I am talking about. Any of these ingredients in the products you use on your face is going to exfoliate your skin, and what this is going to do is that your skin will be further irritated, okay? I mean, take an example. Let me use this door behind me, okay, you guys. If this door is already rough and I bring a sandpaper that is rough, okay, and I scrub on that part of this door that is rough, what happens? The door is going to get even rougher and even worse, and you're going to see that it is going to begin to have even deeper cuts, okay? Now, that is what happens when you exfoliate on your already dry skin or when you already have breakouts as somebody who has a dry skin. So by all means, okay, stay away from exfoliating. Now, my darling, you want to go heavy on moisturizing, yes, and let me tell you, that is the new gospel I am preaching on this channel, okay? Go heavy on moisturizing. Now, whether you have a dry skin, an oily skin, a combination skin, whether your skin is textured, whatever the composition of your skin or your skin type, please go heavy on moisturizing. Especially for my dry skin bestie that I'm addressing in this video, please go heavy on moisturizing. Your already dry skin is going to continue to trigger your sebaceous glands to keep producing more oil, and you want to put that in check. So you need to keep your skin on the surface hydrated enough so that it sends a signal to the sebaceous glands that, oh, there are enough oils already, okay, on the skin, or the skin is already moisturized enough and they don't need to send extra or excess oil to the face. Okay, now when the skin is always dry or feels dry, your sebaceous glands are forced to want to hydrate your skin both from the inside and in the outside. So let's assume that they give you 10% sebums or oils into your skin and around your skin cells every 1 hour. They'll be forced to go like 40% or 50% in that same 1 hour, and because of that, your skin will begin to break out. Your skin will become clogged because naturally your skin composition, as somebody who naturally has a dry skin, your skin pores are always tightly closed. And now whenever this excess oils try to push out to your skin, only a very minimal amount is going to find its way to the surface of your skin, while the rest is going to be hiding under your pores and clogging your pores. I hope that made a lot of sense, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Another thing that you can do to remove acne from your face as somebody who already has a dry skin is to change your skincare routine immediately. Yes, whatever skincare routine or skincare products that you were using just before you began to break out, you want to stop them immediately, because I mean, aside the fact that I'm sharing all of these tips, those makeup products might also be the reason why you are breaking out. Maybe you've been over exfoliating, or you've been mixing up products with ingredients that do not, agree with your skin type or your skin composition. It could even be your diet. So as soon as you notice that your skin is beginning to break out and it has broken out for between 3 days to 7 days, then my darling, you need to change your skincare routine immediately. Change your skincare products. Stop using them, okay? To be on the safe side, I would say, skincare is expensive now. You cannot just throw it out of the window, right? What you want to do is wait for like 3 days. I always do that, okay? Whenever I have excess breakouts, even as somebody who has an oily skin, in order for me to be sure that it is not my diet, okay, that is the culprit, or stress, or my skincare products, I leave my skin for the next 3 days, okay? If it is very severe, I leave it for 7 days. I don't use makeup. I don't use any skincare products. I only use my sunscreen, because if you have a good sunscreen, it is also supposed to help to moisturize and to hydrate your skin. So I literally just use only my sunscreen. Always make sure to change your skincare routine, because those skincare products that you're using might actually be the culprit, okay, as the reason why you are experiencing breakouts on your dry skin. Another important thing that you can do is to always wash your face twice a day. Now, I know that this is cliche, but when I say wash or cleanse your face twice a day, I do not mean double cleansing. Double cleansing is outside of it. Please, when you're experiencing breakouts, okay, as somebody who has dry skin, you have no business double cleansing. And now, a lot of people do double cleansing without even knowing that they do double cleansing. Most times when I watch videos on YouTube here or even on Instagram, I see people who, sit down in the morning and they say they want to cleanse their face. They go in with a face wipes, okay, or like micellar water to clean their face, and then they go in with a face cleanser or a face wash. My darling, that is double cleansing, and they do it every single day, okay? Like, for some people who have already deep into skincare, they'll probably do it once a day and then do normal cleansing at night. But most of the times they will do this thing 2 times a day, every single day of the week. And you're wondering why your skincare products are not working. You're wondering why your skin barrier is getting weaker and weaker despite all the products you're using. It is because you are stripping your skin of its natural oil. Remember, I told you, whether you have an oily skin, a dry skin, a textured skin, our sebaceous glands are naturally wired to produce their own oil, their own lubricants that helps to moisturize your skin, that helps to lubricate your skin and to protect your skin, okay? Now, when you wash it or over cleanse it, you do not just now remove the dirt on your face, you also go deeper, unknown to you, and you cleanse off even the original oils that are supposed to help your skin. I would rather you use maybe a micellar water if you want to cleanse your face, and just clean your face once or twice. You go in once or twice until your makeup is off and your face is clean, or you wash your face with your face cleanser in your bathroom or wherever else you wash your face. At least 2 times. You go in the first time, you're sure that the makeup is gone off your face. That is for people who have done makeup in the course of the day. That's for my ladies. Then you can go in the second time with the same face cleanser or face wash to go into your face again. What that second time does is that it helps to get rid of any excess makeup residue that is already on your face, that is still on your face, sorry, and any excess dirt, of course, that might be there. And that is all you need, my darling. You do not need to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Double cleansing is actually not really for people who have dry skin, because even if you're not experiencing acne already, you are probably exposing your skin to an activity that is going to cause you to experience breakout, because double cleansing is going to strip your skin and is going to dry out your skin even faster. Now remember that I told you that as soon as you begin to notice that your dry skin is beginning to break out, you're having pimples, whether the big ones or the small ones, that you should change your skincare routine, change your skincare products. You want to look for products that are non-comedogenic. At this time, what this means is that you want to look out for products And when I say products, I mean not just your skincare products, I mean your makeup products. Okay, I mentioned that as well when I talked about the other point. You want to make sure that you look for products that are oil free, because at that time your skin is already producing excess oil. Okay, so you do not need other skincare products, okay, that contain oil that will go and clog your pores. So look for products that are non-comedogenic, okay, and ditch the comedogenic product for this time until your breakouts, okay, are cleared. Then you can go back to your other products. You can go back to any other kind of makeup products that you like to use on your face. Now, another way that you can take that acne out of your face as somebody who has a dry skin is to go for spot treatment or spot correctors. Now, what does this mean? This means when you get products, okay, anti-acne products that contain actives like, benzoic acid, benzoyl acid, or salicylic acid. These are actives, okay. Now, you don't want to just put them on other parts of your skin where there is no breakout or any of the sort, except you have this very terrible breakout that are all over your face. Then you want to go all over your face with the product. But aside that, just target that particular area where you have the breakout or pop out or acne or pimples, whatever else you call it, or pustules, and apply those anti-acne treatment on that spot. Yes, right on that spot, okay. And avoid going on your entire face with it, because if you go around your whole face with it, it could irritate those other parts of your skin. And if peradventure any of your pop out, okay, or your pimples, I don't know why I keep calling them pop out, but peradventure any of your pimple or acne is somehow broken, whether known or unknown to you, spreading it around your face is going to spread that excess oil and infection around other parts of your face as well. And that is also going to cause further irritations and further breakouts. So you want to try out on the spot treatment or on the spot correction if you are using active anti-acne treatment. Now I'm going to be ending this video with this last tip, okay, which is going to be a cliche one, okay, and which is why I choose to leave it right here. I'm sure you've been hearing this, but my darling, whether you are acne prone, whether you have a dry skin, whether you have a sensitive skin, whether you have a normal skin, okay, or a combination skin, you need to stay hydrated. And especially now that your skin is already breaking out from all the dryness, okay, and all the irritation, you want to go heavy on hydration. In fact, you want to double hydrate. Now what this means is that you take in a lot of water, and then you also apply a lot of moisture, a lot of hydration on your face physically. That is in the place of your moisturizers and your face creams, okay. You want to go heavy on those, but remember that if you are opting for moisturizers or face creams to use on your face, and in fact, heck, even your sunscreens, like I said, you want to stay away from mineral sunscreens right now, and you want to stay away from products that are not oil free. So make sure you get non-comedogenic moisturizers and face creams to use on your face. And that brings me, my darling, to the end of this video. You guys, did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other tips that you can share with our other dry skin besties, okay, as to how they can take care of the acne on their skin, or to help them manage the acne on their skin? Let me know, or let us know in the comment section below, and let us have this conversation, you guys. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay live, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.